Hi, today I'd like to show you how to play Up Around the Bend by Creedence Clearwater Revival, otherwise known as CCR. I'm tuned a little different today. Instead of G, I've tuned this up to A. That shouldn't hurt your instrument. And then this is still D, and this is still G. It makes playing the beginning of the song, the lick, much, much easier if you do it this way. I'll show you a fancy way to play the intro lick, and I'll show you an easier way to play the intro lick. Doesn't sound quite as good, but works. As far as the amp goes, I'm totally on clean, probably way too clean, with a little bit of reverb, but it's a lesson and you need to hear exactly what's going on. So I'll play the lick first. Quite a bit of reverb. So anyway, start off with the middle string and slide up to 16. Then you go to 19. So 16, middle, 19 on the high, 14 on the high. Still using the first finger, I just move it because as you go to 19 it's really easy to lift it off. 14, middle finger, 16 back on the middle, 14 back on the high. If you can't do it up there, just do it down here. So open, and 4 on the middle, and 7 on the high, 2 on the high, 4, middle, 2 on the high. And as you can see, it works pretty good, but it doesn't have that sort of sound and edge that CCR has. Now, for the next part, you just move over a string to A, which is the reason we tuned it to A. And you do the same lick. So I'd be sliding up to 16, 19 on a little finger, 14 on the middle, 16 on the low, 14 on the middle, and once again, if you don't have one of your necks sticking out like this one, just do it down here. So it'd be 4 on the low, 7 on the middle, 2 on the middle, 4 on the low, 2 on the middle. So first of all, it's in D. So we're going to play D 5, 7, 7. And the rhythm will be down, down, up, down, up. So your hand is always going up and down. You don't really have to change your hand. It's just when you hit your string. So down, down, up. Then you miss your strings, and then up, down, up. And it doesn't have to be 100% accurate either. And the other little tricky thing about it too is when you hit that second down, you might want to release your left hand just a little. So that second is almost a mute. 2 reasons. One, I kind of think that's how it goes. But the other thing is if you don't release your left hand so the strings aren't ringing, you end up with this overwhelming ringing sound. Which to me sounds kind of amateur, and it gets very, very strong, especially if you're playing with other people. But by lifting up just a little bit and killing the note every once in a while, it gives it a better sense of rhythm. So the verse is D, A, and D. I'll count it for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, A, 2, 3, 4, A, 2, 3, 4. So hopefully you notice it was A, 2, and then back to D, 3, 4. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, down to A, which is 0, 2, 2, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a little hard to hear me count if I do the full strum. So that's basically. 1, 2, 3, 4. you maintain the strum though. And that's it for the verses. Does that twice, then it goes into the chorus, which is G, which we're going to play 10, 12, 12. Then to D, then to A, 2, 3, 4. And that's once again, you sort of hit the A, mute, hit, squeeze down again and get the up. So the first time you do it, then you go do it again. And that's for 4 beats, and then you do 4 more beats on the A. And it's a build, so you just down pick. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So the first time, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Oh, the guitar solo, he jams over the chorus, not the verse. Chorus being, of course, the G, D, A part. And there's a little lick at the end of the song, which I'm pretty sure everybody can do. It's up here, it's 14, 16, 14 on the high string, 14, 16 on the middle, 14 on the high string. Play that 3 times. And go back to 16. Then you play it twice more. 16, 12. And that's all you need to play the entire song. I hope you have fun with that. Have a great day. Bye.